Hai semua, welcome back to our channel. Kali ini videonya agak berbeda karena aku hari ini lagi nungguin paket and it's an iPhone. So having always been an Android user, ya mungkin 10 tahun lebih selalu pakai Android. I've always been a loyal Android user. I'm really excited about it. Kita kemarin pre-order. Kita udah pre-order dari minggu lalu. By the way, I got it in the color gold. I was contemplating between the purple, the deep purple, the newer deep purple and the gold one, but I ended up getting the gold one simply because mikirnya kalau ntar kan bakal dipakein case juga kan. Kalau misalnya pakai case yang bening-bening, rasanya bagusan kalau warnanya terang gitu. Dan aku nggak sabar karena kemarin aku belum sempat nyobain megang apa segala macam di store karena di store pun belum available. Jadi waktu aku lihat untuk milih warna juga susah karena belum banyak video yang beredar. Bener-bener hari ini banget baru launch. This would be my first iPhone ever. I'm very grateful to be one of the first to get it. Karena handphone aku yang lama juga, even though it's still working fine, aku udah pernah sekali ganti LCD dan alhamdulillah sekarang masih oke, nggak ada masalah. So I'll still use it. Hope you guys enjoy the simple unboxing video by orang awam. I might come running back when our hearts get back on track. When the stars line up, that's that. I've been attached, just looking out. We move so fast, was moving south. Through my secret sauce, boo in and out. Miss how you gloss that pretty mouth. You know this ain't the time for the two of us. Ooh, I ain't got space to be thinking about you.
Gloss that, love it when you toss it back, love it when you talk back. Girl, you get me off track, so off-white tracksuit, just so I can floss, yeah. With my new biddy, she ain't let my off yet. Could've been you, still feeling on my ditty, but you lost that. You had real privileges for this, all snap. Now you getting time out, cause you hit it where my heart's at. Got me going deeper than Amari when that ball snap. Heard you sold your soul on Macari, got you call lacking. Now I'm next door, at the party while you jaw jacking. You know it's Rashad, in the rarest in the raw fashion. I'm still trying to figure how this all happened, huh?
You know this ain't the time for the two of us. Ooh, I ain't got space to be thinking about you. You know this ain't the time for the two of us. Ooh, I ain't got space to be thinking about you.
You know this ain't time for the two of us. Ooh, I ain't got space thinking about you.
I've never been so excited about the delivery.
Ini kantor aku
Ini kantor
yang
Agil.
agak messy.
Lebih
Lebih messy.
Dia kerja nih pagi-pagi. Aku mau olahraga bentar. Tadi cek di app masih 15 orang lagi baru kesini. Okay, it's finally here.
How you doing? You okay? Yeah.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Excited for your new 14?
Yeah.
I'm getting mine delivered today as well.
Okay.
Getting jealous delivering everyone else's. Have a nice day. Thank you.
Bye. See you soon. Bye. So excited. Oke guys, kita mau unboxing iPhone yang terbaru 14 Pro Max.
Wow.
Boleh teriak nggak? Boleh teriak ya? 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's gold. Kayak baru keluar dari freezer nih.
Hah? Dingin ya?
Iya, dingin. Okay, so how do I open this? Ini ya? Iya nggak sih? Okay.
Ooh. There we go. Sleek.
Wait, how should I make this?
Whoa.
It's so cold ya. Dingin banget.
Hah?
Dingin banget.
Oh ya.
Iya kan? You see my face?
Okay, so it's on my right.
But you don't know the password, right? Okay, never mind.
Ganti ya.
Oh, do I
Just like
have to
that.
do it now? Passwordnya di mana di situ ya?
Okay, it's got your.
Where is it?
Hmm?
Where is it? It's cool. My number? Where's my phone again? Finally. Oh, I need the dynamic island. Nah ini guys penampakannya Pro Max yang 1 tera. Okay, this is the, I don't know if you can see. Jadi ini sebenarnya rada beda sih sama gold yang sebelumnya kalau aku lihat di store. So this is the new dynamic island that they're talking about. Yeah, so I chose this color. Yeah, I quite like it. Soalnya goldnya nggak yang terlalu in your face gitu, masih very subtle. It's almost like white, but it's like off-white almost. Nggak tahu warnanya kayak nggak jelas gitu tengah-tengah, which is what I like. Aku masih adjusting ya, kayak masih kayak bingung pencet-pencetnya gitu. Terus juga yang aku paling notice, dia tuh lebih tebal banget kameranya daripada yang sebelumnya. Ntar kelihatan gak ya? Nah ini. Dia lebih tebal, jadi kalau misalnya ditaruh tuh kayak goyang-goyang kalau nggak pakai case. Nah ini yang baru di sini dynamic island di sini nih. Aku juga belum pelajarin gimana setupnya dan dia fungsinya apa aja juga belum tahu. That's the update basically. By the way ini kalau di compare sama handphone aku yang lama, ukurannya sebenarnya nggak beda jauh ya, cuman dia lebih tebal aja gitu, jauh lebih tebal. So yeah. Okay guys, jadi gitu aja. Sekian nih unboxing singkat sedikit lighting change. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy and see you guys on our next video.